Daily workout to lose weight at home for beginners. Are you tired of carrying that excess weight around your waist and now want to do something about it right from the comfort of your own home? In this video, I will share with you 4 intensive but highly effective workouts that you can do safely at home to lose weight. According to recent research, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, allows you to burn fat faster than moderate-intensity continuous training exercises. That means when it comes to losing fat, you should do short-circuit style workouts rather than long cardio sessions. If you are not active but you want to lose weight at home without hiring a trainer or joining a class, try this daily workout to lose weight at home for beginners. Take your time to do the following exercises. After each one, take a 1-minute rest before starting on the next. Then, repeat the entire set for the second time. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet close together and your arms tucked at your sides. Jump up and spread your legs apart. Simultaneously swing both arms above your head so that your hands almost touch each other. Jump up again and bring your feet back together. At the same time, lower your arms back down to your sides. Repeat this at a steady pace until you've completed 30 sets. Squats. Stand with your feet flat on the floor and greater than hip width apart. Make sure to keep your hands at your sides. Extend your arms straight out in front of you as you bend your knees and lower your buttocks. Make sure that your knees don't extend further than your toes. Go as low as you can. Ideally, your thighs will be parallel to the floor or lower. Lift yourself back up to your starting position. Take a second rest before you do another squat. Repeat until you've completed 15 squats. Inclined burpees. Take a chair or any other sturdy surface you can use that's around knee height. Stand in front of the chair and bend down to hold on to the edge of the seat. Shift your weight to your hands and kick both feet back as if doing a high plank. Bend your elbows and lower your body to do a single inclined push-up. As you rise from the push-up, kick your feet back closer to the chair. Raise your arms above your head as you jump up as high as you can. As you reach the floor, take your hands back to the edge of the chair to do more burpees. Try to go through these movements as fluidly as you can. Once you're done with one, keep doing more burpees until you've completed 10 in total. Cannonball crunch. Lie on a mat or the floor with your legs extended and your arms raised above your head. Lift your feet and hands about 6 inches from the floor. Slowly tuck your legs in towards your chest while simultaneously lowering your arms so that your hands touch your knees. Go back to your starting position where your feet and hands are raised from the ground. Repeat until you've completed 15 cannonball crunches. As a beginner, it might take you about 30 minutes or more to complete this workout, but as your muscles and cardiovascular function become more robust, you will notice that these exercises will become easier to do. As you improve, gradually shorten your rest periods to boost intensity and, consequently, maximize fat loss. This daily workout to lose weight at home for beginners might be incredibly challenging when you begin. Remember that you know your body best. If you feel you need more or longer rest periods, take them. The last thing you want to do is overexert your body, especially your heart. But persevere and try to do this daily with only 1 rest day per week. Given how effective this workout is, don't be surprised if you drop your weight within a week, especially if you accompany your weight loss plan with a healthy, balanced diet. Following is the reference we used to create this workout. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.